Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the basic bias indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the basic bias indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 309 indicators, and out of those 309 indicators, 124 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 124 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the basic bias indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. Let me actually bump up, see if I can get there we go, that, and let's bump up the other line just a little bit more as well. There we go. So we have this dashed line right here at the 0 mark, and then we have this I guess you could call it an oscillating line, a stepping line. I'm not really sure exactly what you would call it. I think they call it, yeah, step line is what they call it. And this blue line here, step line. So basically what we have is a 0 line cross. So when the step line crosses down below the 0 or dashed line, that is a signal to go short. When it crosses up above, that is a signal to go long. Pretty simple setup. Not a whole lot to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of this. So moving along here, looks like it's slowly, there we go, slowly working its way down. Looks like we get official cross right there. Doesn't look like it's hit our 90 pip, but let's go ahead and play it forward a little bit more here. So we get a short right there. It doesn't, nope, does not hit our take profits. And then over here on this side, looks like it does pop back up for just a moment right there. Almost immediately drops back down there, then back up here, then back down right there. And at this point, it has not, there we go, played out the rest of the way there, and it did get us to take profit on that one. So, interesting start to this, to say the least. All right, over here on this side, looks like we pop up right there on that one. Looks like we barely missed the take profit again. And, oops, little click happy there. Let's try that again. There we go. Then over here on this side, we pick up a short right there. Does not look like we pop back up above. Let's double check that we didn't get stopped out. I'm fairly confident we did not. Nope, we did not. And on that short right there, we were able to get down to take profit. So continue on with it here. Let's double check. All right, so we pick up a long right there on that one. Looks like it holds relatively steady and does eventually get us up there to take profits. All right, so before we continue on, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, your trading experience, trading in general, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon-only channel on our Discord. Super simple. Just sign up for our Patreon, link down below. It's super cheap. But on our Patreon-only channel, we're putting out a lot of great information, a lot of advanced information that we don't normally put out in the rest of the group. A lot of our members in there, 2 admins and quite a few of the other members, are posting regular everyday trade ideas, really outlining those ideal market conditions for you to be able to get in and out of trades, to be able to grow small accounts really quickly, which will help you dial in your trading systems, your trading strategies. So regardless of whether or not you're a new trader or you're an experienced trader, you will find some great information in there for sure. Even an experienced trader, you can be just kind of in the mix with like-minded people to help you, bounce ideas off of and so on. Like I said, super, super great, positive place to be. Really positive vibe, a lot of positive information. So again, check that out. I highly recommend it. So back to the indicator here at hand. So we just got a long signal, and that one worked out for us rather nicely. You can see that we are going up really strong right there. Then we take a nosedive over here on this side. Does look like let's see, what are we at, 135, so we didn't quite get stopped out right there, but I have a feeling that, yep, that's what I thought. So it did end up popping itself back up right there on that one, and then almost immediately drops back down underneath there on that one. That one would have gotten us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on here. So we pick up a long over here, right about there. Unfortunately, we get a stair step down over here. That would have stopped us out. So that one wouldn't have worked out for us. Neither would this one. And then, boom, right there. We get a jump to the upside, and that one does get us to take profit. Over here, we pick up a short right about there on that one. It looks like we do get a gap down. That's probably from one week to the other. Yes, it is. Let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit here. That one, once again, that would have gotten us stopped out. So then over here on this side, we pick up a long right there. Might have been able to squeeze out a take profit here. Nope, once again, just barely miss it. That is a shame. Then over here on this side, we do pick up a short. Seems like the shorts are working quite a bit, and the longs are not. All right, so we pick up a short right there. We are almost to the end of the year. Let's see if we, pick up a couple more here. So, right there, we pick up a long. And looks like pretty quickly stop to the downside right there. And back to the upside right there, which would have slowly worked us up to our take profit. And that would have put us at the end of the year right there. All right, let's get zoomed in on this here and count these out and see what we get out of it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So we have 20 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 winning trades. So obviously that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. This was an interesting indicator to say the least, but just was not quite working out the way we needed it to. And so this one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.